welcome to my channel. Sorry if I look a little weird or act a little weird. I had like the 24-hour flu and I'm still getting over it, but the flu is not going to stop me from couponing. Oh yeah, that's it. I went because I wanted to get a couple repeat deals, and I actually found a couple new deals that you guys should definitely do before this Saturday, before it ends, because it is either free or it's super cheap. So the one thing that I actually got is Depends. Oh yeah, I got Depends. I didn't need this, but in case somebody I know needs it, you never know. You know, I know a lot of elderly people. So these were on clearance for $3.79, okay? There was a Peely coupon on these for $3 off. So if you guys get this, you guys can get it for 79 cents. I think it's actually a pretty good deal. It is a large, extra large, and it comes in 3 different colors. So, and there's 12 of them in here, so for 79 cents for 12 Depends, why not? And this is something that doesn't expire, so if you guys ever need that. So I just got that. That was the only one that they had. No, honey. Those are for Daddy.
I want a green one.
Those are...
Oh, one.
I will. Just hold on for a second. I ended up I ended up doing the Garnier deal. Again, sorry, my kid is going through my stuff. I ended up doing the Garnier Skin Active Moisture Rescue deal again because I could not pass this up. So these were $8.79.
The ABC.
Okay, just hold on a second, honey. These were $8.79. They're actually buy one, get one free for this week only. If you guys aren't sure what's on sale, you guys can always use your app, your Walgreens app, and scan them. That's what I do. I always just sit there and scan my stuff to know if I'll get points for certain things or if there's coupons in the Walgreens booklet that applies to this. So buy one, get one free. You guys want to use 2 $3 off coupons that we just got in this past Sunday's paper. Plus there is $3 off coupons that are in the Walgreens booklet, and it'll apply to how many you buy. You just have them scan it once. And I usually have them scan the booklet the very last thing. So after all my coupons scanned, before they enter the ones that didn't scan, I have them scan the booklet last, just because. And if you guys do get Moneymaker stuff with the booklet, make sure you guys have filler items because you need to have overage items, I guess. So you guys would just get 2 of these for $1.19, which I think is a great deal. If you guys haven't already, you can submit a $3 rebate on Ibotta. Or not Ibotta, Savings Star. I already did mine, so if you guys do that, it's a $1.81 Moneymaker. But for $1.19 for 2 of these, I think that is a great deal. I still have a couple more of these coupons. I took whatever they had at my store, but I could not go wrong with this. So there's that. I ended up doing the Garnier Fructis deal again because I absolutely love this kind of shampoo and conditioner. So these were 2 for $7. You guys want to use that 3 off of 2 coupon, plus there's a $1 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. You guys will end up getting these for $1 a piece, is it? $1 a piece, I think, which is an okay deal. So if you guys wanted to do that. My store only had 1 Sure, so I ended up getting that. These were $1.49. I used that $1 off coupon. You guys would just get this for 49 cents. I've checked all the stores in my area and nobody has Brut. Nobody. I'm like, what? What? You guys have it on your ad, but you don't have it? So I think that's kind of weird. The easy deal that you guys need to do before this sale ends is the Dentine Ice Gum. These are on sale this week for 79 cents. Now the sale does end on Saturday. There's a new deal that just popped up on checkout 51 for 75 cents back for every one you buy. It is a limited of 5. So you guys will get these for 4 cents a piece. So I got 5 because you can't pass up 4-cent gum. And I got peppermint, I didn't even read it, I just grabbed it, Arctic Chill, and then spicy cinnamon. So Got those each for 4 cents a piece. Limit 5. That is an awesome, awesome deal. I ended up getting the toothpaste again because I had 2 more of those $2 off coupons. Plus, I also ended up using the dollar off coupons that were able on coupons.com. So that's a better, if you guys have just like 1 or 2 of those coupons left, do this deal. So these are still ringing up, buy one, get one 50% off. So $3 and $1.50. You guys want to use a $2 off coupon and a $1 off coupon. You guys will end up paying $1.50 for 2 of these, but then you get 4,000 points for every 2 you buy, making these a $2.50 moneymaker. Now you can pay with points and you guys will get this stuff. So I had 2 of the $2 off coupons and I had 2 of the $1 off coupons. So couldn't go wrong with that. And I really love how this shines. I love getting free toothpaste. And then the last deal I got is this Roto. It is Dry Aid, it's Dry Eye Relief. I think this is an all-month thing because when I just did my ad preview, it was in the ad, and I think this is an all-month thing. I have to look at my picture. But for my breakdowns, I'm only going to do the breakdowns that I haven't done yet because I've already written this stuff down for you guys. So these were $9.99. You guys want to use those $5 off coupons that we got from a couple weeks ago, actually. You guys would just pay $4.99 for this. But then you can submit a $5 rebate on Ibotta, making this a 1 cent moneymaker, which is still a great deal. You can get this for free. You guys cannot pass that up. So for free, we got that. So that was my haul. I did pretty good. When I was going through the checkout, the lady's like, "You're buying Depends," and like the store I usually go to during the weekdays, it's like my normal store. They know me, so I just feel like my hair is a mess today. It's just ridiculous. But yeah, I'm just like, hey, yeah. But my total came to $6.27 for everything. I ended up getting 8,000 points back. That was because I got 4,000 times 2 on the Colgate toothpaste. I ended up getting $3.75 back on checkout 51. So free gum, can't go wrong with that. I ended up getting $5 back on Ibotta for the Roto. And then I also had any receipts for 25 cents off on Ibotta. So I got $5.50 back on Ibotta. So my total became a $10.98 moneymaker. I'm pretty excited. I didn't hit beauty. I was really close to hitting beauty. But usually if you pay with points, you don't really get those beauty points. So there's that. That's probably why I did not get beauty. But hey, I can't go wrong with free stuff. I mean, everything was free. Can't go wrong with that. But if you guys enjoyed my another great 3rd Walgreens haul, please give this video a thumbs up. You guys know what to do. Most of you guys already have. Subscribe to my channel so I know you guys enjoy it. And I'll see you guys all on Sunday for another Walgreens haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.